Hi, boys and girls. Let's take a look at our handwriting today. Today we're working on the letter T. We're going to work on the lowercase t. Now, if you look here, you'll notice that T is a tall letter, so it starts above the line. We had previously been working on small letters that are in between the line, but T is a tall letter, so it starts up high. When we make the letter T, you're going to start up high and you're going to go down, bump to that bottom line. Then you're going to pick up your pencil, cross. So let's try one together. Here, before we start, let's take a look. There's the capital T and here's the lowercase t. So it looks a little bit different. The cross is in the middle instead of the top. All right, let's start. Down, bump, cross. Okay, now we're going to start right here. Down, bump, cross. Down, bump, cross. Great job. Down, bump, cross. If you notice, I'm taking my time and doing my best work. Down, bump, cross. 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 Now I get to do one on my own without anybody helping. Remember, it's a tall letter. Down, bump, cross. Well, I thought I did a very nice job and I took my time and did my best work, so I'm going to give myself a check. And then I'm going to look for the one T that I love the most. I think I'm most proud of this one, so I'm going to circle this one. And then here it says T is for tow truck. And here's a tow truck helping out a car. All right, we're going to do 2 pages today. So we're going to do this one. It's called Words for Me. These are all letters that we've practiced just in this last week. And so what we're going to do is we're going to write the word and then trace it first and then write it down below. Okay, so we're going to start with this one. This is a kindergarten word, 2. So let's make it. Down, bump, across. Magic C, keep going, stop. Okay, now after I practice, then I'm going to come down here. Remember that T starts tall. Down, bump, across. Now we're making the O. Magic C, keep going, stop. Wow, I did a great job. I bet you did too. All right, this word says 2, like in the number 2, like you are 2 years old. All right, so I'm going to first trace it. Down, bump, across. Slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up. Magic C, keep going, stop. Now I'm going to do it here. This is a little bit different paper. So on this one, if you notice, we have to start at that top line, okay? There's lots of different lines that you're going to see when you're writing, and this is one kind of line that they'll have for you to write on. So we're going to just copy exactly how they have it here. Line, down, bump, across. Now we're going to do the W. We got to stay between these 2 lines because it's a small letter. Slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up. Now we're going to make the O. Magic C, keep going, stop. Super. Now our next word says cow. Look at it, and there's a little cow there. Let's trace it. Magic C. Good job. Now the O. Magic C, keep going, stop. Now our W. Little line, down, little line, slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up. All right, now let's do it together. Now remember, these are all small letters, so they should all be between the lines. Here we go. Magic C. Okay, now we're going to make the O. Magic C, keep going, stop. And now the W. Slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up. We wrote the word cow. Now we're going to come over here. Sometimes I have to move my paper a little bit so it's just right for me when I'm writing. So I did that a little bit, and I'm using this hand to hold my paper. This word says cot, k-ot, cot. And that's like a little bed that you can easily put up. Sometimes they use them for camping. So we're going to first trace it. Magic C. When we do the C, now we're going to do the O. Magic C, keep going, stop. All right, now the T. Down, bump, across. There we go. All right, now notice that these two letters are small and this one's tall. All right, here we go. Let's make the C. Magic C, stop. Or it's just magic C, sorry. That's for O, we stop. Magic C, keep going, stop. Now we're going to make the T. Remember, that's a tall letter. Down, bump. You're bumping on the line. Across. Great job. Now this word, let's sound this word out to figure out what it is. T-ought. Tot. Tot. Tot is sometimes they call a toddler a tot. So a little boy or a little girl that's about 2 years old. All right, or maybe a tater tot, like tater tots. All right, let's practice making the T. Down, bump, across. Now we're going to do the O. Magic C, keep going, stop. And then we make a T again. Down, bump, across. All right, we're ready to try it. Remember, this is a little bit different paper right here. And so with the T, we use the top of this line. Here we go. Down, bump, across. Now the O. Magic C, keep going, stop. And now we're going to do the T again. Down, bump, across. Beautiful. Again, I'm taking my time, so I do my best work, just like you are. All right, now we're going to write the word so. Like, so I am going home so I can make supper. So, all right, we're first going to make an S. And if you notice, both these letters are small. They need to stay in between the two lines. Excuse me. All right, little C, turn down around. Okay, that's our S. Now the O. Magic C, keep going, stop. All right, let's make it on our own here. Little magic C, turn, curve down. Very good. And if you didn't get it between the lines, it's okay to erase and fix it. All right, even teachers have to fix it if it's not right. All right, now we're going to make the O. Magic C, keep going, stop. Wonderful. I think I did a fabulous job, and I'm sure you guys are going to do a fabulous job also. So I'm going to put a check there. I want you to take a picture of your T's and your words for me so I can see what a great job you did today. All right, boys and girls, have a great day.